chain. Using number 5 hook needle, make 6 single crochet into magic ring. Chain 1, then make 6 single crochet. Six, then continue work in spiral, don't join. Next row, the second row, make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, or this name increase all around. Increase like this, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. You may need stitch marker. Then in the next stitch, you make increase again. Make until before the stitch marker or starting point. So the amount of stitches is 12. In the next row, the third row, you make single crochet, then increase, mark the single crochet. The next is increase, and next 2 stitches is, and next is single crochet again, next increase again. So make this pattern, single crochet, increase, all the way around. Next row, the fourth row is single crochet again. Mark this point. At the next, increase to 2 single crochet, and the next 2 stitches is 2 single crochet. So make sure this pattern increase single crochet, increase 2 single crochet, increase 2 single crochet, increase, then single crochet again. then attach it. One, two, three. And then the next eyes. Attach it beside the first eyes and keep a distance between the eyes is one single crochet, one stitches. And then the last step is attach the spikes. Next step is sew on the spikes. Thread your needle, then sew it on this ball. You can see like this. You can attach this crown spikes. Keep a distance between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds from the first round. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 single stitches from the eyes. Sew it on like this. Pull it and then insert to the bottom. Insert again to the spikes. Then last you tie a knot like this. Then weave the ends. Continue, sew the next spikes like this. Make sure you sew the spikes vertically. Don't horizontally like this, but vertically. Unless for the back spikes, you sew it horizontally. The distance between the next spikes is about 5 rounds again, and then 5 stitches for the each spikes, and all around 5 stitches. But from the eyes is between 3 stitches. So continue sew the width like this first spike until all these 6 spikes are sewed. For last step, you can add a keychain to your plushie if you wanted it to a keychain. First, insert the yarn to the center of the first round or the magic ring. Pull it before you finish off. Cut the yarn and ta-da! Congrats on finishing your cute coronavirus plushie. You can make it like this or add some funny and silly face so it won't scary. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!